We started our last day in London by eating breakfast at a Princess Diana-themed restaurant. This day called for a traditional English breakfast.
We walk along the Thames River to start our Rick Steves guided Westminster walk. We started out by the Parliament buildings and walked along down the street until we reached Trafalgar Square.
We continue to the oldest part of London upon the Royal Courts of Justice.
Twining's Tea has been owned by the Twining family and been in business since the 1700s. It started a tea craze in England.
Believe it or not, this part of town burnt down in the Great Fire of 1666 and was later rebuilt. Yeah, this time using brick.
We continue down Fleet Street to where the demon barber, Sweeney Todd, allegedly once lived. And we can't forget, damage from the Blitzkrieg stands as memorial.
Oh yeah, and we frequented a few pubs.
We leave London by taking the Eurostar to Paris. If you ever have a chance to take the Eurostar, you should. It is awesome.
Eurostar, which was awesome. And now we're looking for our train to get into the city to be able to check into our hotel. I think we're going the right way. I don't really know. We'll figure it out as we go.
pretty cool. You can charge your cell phone by generating your own power off of these bikes.
Right now we're going to go see Notre Dame. They're actually letting us closer to it than I thought they would. She looks the same from the front. It's the back that you can tell what happened. So show her.
So I googled places to eat while we're in Paris. Number one place is this restaurant that specializes in one thing. Let's see if they're open.
Hi guys, so we just ate at, I cannot pronounce it. We had Steak Frites, but it was like a thin meat and small pieces, about that big, maybe a little bit smaller, and they sliced them. They had 3 ways that you could cook it, rare, medium, and, well, I guess there's only 2 because who would do that? And there's like a green sauce that they put on top. We're not sure what is in the green sauce, but it was delightful. I think it tasted like dill. Tony was saying basil. We also had, we think there's mustard in there. Oh my gosh, you guys. They have this spicy mustard that's like Felipe's times 5. So they started off giving us some bread and a salad with some Dijon mustard and some walnuts on top. And then they bring you your meat and the french fries, and then they serve you up off to the side. And then they put it on the table in front of you, and then you eat it. But wait, there's more. They make you some more, and then they bring that and they put it in front of you also. And then they want you to get dessert, but I'm full of french fries and I'm holding myself for a crepe.
Let's walk and get those crepes.